We're putting the rafters in here, and you can see we nailed the first one really tight against the building where we could hit nails real good. I put some 6-inch pole barn nails in a couple spots, and we decided to go with about a 22-inch overhang. By the time I add moldings and stuff, it'll be about 24. Cut this angle first. Then once we got our distance, those are just squared off over there. The angle's not that, it's not that steep of a roof. And we've nailed them in. We've put 1-foot spacers in between here. And then we nailed it and then moved down to here and used the 1-foot spacer. So now we're on our last one here. So I'm planning on going over there, leaving a couple inches for moldings and stuff. And then angle it, I think, or keep it straight down to here. So I got to figure out how I'm going to hold this thing in the air. I think I'll have to put a 1x6 across here, get my angle somehow, and then fasten it on there. I'll have to do this from the lift because I'll have to hold it up. So we're going to go get our board and start cutting it and see what we end up with.